Hello guys, welcome to another beautiful day with Mehru. It's day 3 of our trip to Skardu and today we are going to cover Manthoka Waterfall, and if we get lucky we will also cover cold desert. Right now we all are waiting for our breakfast, and meanwhile we are enjoying this beautiful garden of Indus View Hotel. The weather today is really favorable considering our spot, that is the waterfall, and hoping the best for today as well. Hi Javeria. Ooh, like this. Whee!
खाना ठंडा हो रहा है, तो कभी भी ठंडा खाना नहीं खाते जी। चलो तुम लोग कैसे
one and only a boss is here, you know.
Hello. So this is our day 3rd, and today we have visited Manthoka Waterfall, and oh my god, what a mind expanding experience it was. We had real great fun today, and the water was freezing cold. We had many competitions of putting our feet in the water and even taking a bit of a shower down it. Some of us succeeded, some of us didn't, but the experience we had today of visiting this amazingness has been marvelous.